Hello everyone, in this video let us try to implement a new feature of Entity Framework 6. There is nothing but AddRange and RemoveRange. Now first of all let us see why do we need AddRange or RemoveRange. Now let us consider a scenario where I want to insert say some 10 departments or 20 departments, or I can say a list of departments. So I have a sample code here. So this is my organization entities object. Now I'm creating a list of department, new department, and I'm trying to add items to the department. I'll say add new department A, B, C, HOD A, B, C, genders are male. So I have a list of departments. So in this way I can have 10 departments, 20 departments. So I have a list. Now I want to add all this department or insert all this department into my database. So how do we used to do earlier? We used to iterate with the help of for each loop where item in department. Now I'll say oe.departments.add items, then I'll say oe.save changes. So this was our previous approach, but with the help of our latest approach, instead of iterating through each and every element and adding it to the list, I can use the latest feature that is nothing but oe.departments.addRange. I can use AddRange method, and here I can pass list of departments, that is nothing but ls dept. That's it. Now this is going to work in the same way. It is going to iterate through each and every item and add it to the database. So it is going to perform 3 insert queries, A, B and C. Now let me put a breakpoint here, say F5, say F5. Now I'll say F10, F10, oe.save changes. Now you can see there are 3 insert queries, 1, 2 and 3. So you can use AddRange to insert these elements into the database. Now let me look into the database whether these items got inserted. Yes, they got inserted. Now in the same way, if I want to delete a list of elements from the database, say for example I want to delete all the elements whose department ID is greater than or equals to 3027. That means I want to delete A, B and C. So first of all I need to look for these records, then I need to iterate through each and every element, and I should say remove then save changes. So instead of that I can simply say, now I'll use the same OE. I'll say var depts equals to oe.departments.where x gives rise to x dot department ID is greater than or equals to 3027 dot to list. So I should get list of departments. Now I will say oe.departments.RemoveRange, and I need to pass list of entities. So that is nothing but departments. And finally I'll say oe.save changes. So earlier I used to iterate through each and every item, then I should say remove, then finally save changes. Now let me put a breakpoint here, say 5, move this breakpoint, say 5, say F10. Now I should get 3 records. Those are nothing but A, B and C. Now I'll finally say RemoveRange, save changes. It should perform 3 delete operations. Now these records should get deleted from my database as well. So we have done AddRange and RemoveRange operations, and these are the latest features of Entity Framework 6. Now let me comment out this, right click, surround with. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.